I can't have it back? Oh, it's in the back of the truck. Oh. Whoops. Put it back in the back of the truck. You're okay. Let me see. Let me see.
Mommy.
What happened?
Mommy.
Let me see.
Mommy, I fall.
You fell.
Daddy.
Daddy's not home yet. Can I see your boo-boo? Where's my ice cream? Where's my ice cream? You said I was going to get an ice cream cone. It's probably melted by now. Is it chocolate ice cream?
No.
What kind? It's what?
House.
Yeah.
That is Bill house. That's you.
That's me?
Not you. I had I think
Yes, please.
dog is in there.
Oh. Does that mean we can't have ice cream?
Dog is in there.
How about if you put the doggies over here? And then you can make ice cream.
Dog in house. Oh, ice cream?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
No. Open.
Oh,
Put back.
put it back.
No.
Can I have some, please?